give a special thanks to MGA for sending Jade, Skyler, and Violet to us for free. What's up, doll collectors and gift givers? Here is another MyFroggyStuff buyer's guide, where we take a look at what's on the shelves so you can decide if it's a buy or a pass. Today we are taking a look at Rainbow High cheer dolls. MGA was so kind to send these 3 to us, and we picked up these 3 at Target for $22.99 each. So here is Ruby, Poppy, Sunny, Jade, Skyler, and Violet, which means we got the whole squad. The packaging looks a little different than what we've seen from other Rainbow High series. The box is rectangular instead of curved. We get just a single doll, but the color combinations and the rest of the setup is pretty much the same. Shiny rainbow packaging that says "Collect the Rainbow" at the top, the doll's name in the top corner, all of the dolls around the bottom. There is a handle at the top, and on the back of the box, there is a rainbow group photo. And at the bottom it says, "Color, style, look so fly. We're the girls of Rainbow High." Oh wow, that's like a little cheer. There is a web series on YouTube. I have seen a few episodes now. I've been trying to catch up. But right now, we are going to take this doll out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, these dolls do not come with a doll stand, so I'm going to use one from another series. Here we are taking a look at Poppy. She comes fully dressed, wearing a white and orange jersey with black details. The number 59 is printed on the jersey, which seems to be a pretty popular number in the doll world. She wears an orange skirt with white and black details. It says rainbow, and there is a small slit on the side. The fabric and the patterns go all the way around. The top and bottom are 2 separate pieces, and they Velcro in the back, which is awesome. She wears white socks with printed details and some pretty intricate sneaker high heels. Lots of painted details, which personally is a big plus for me. They are slit in the back, which makes it easier to take them off and on. She comes with metallic pom-poms that attach to the hand. This doll has freckles on her face, which I love. She has butterfly makeup around the eyes, eyelashes, inset eyes, and her skin has a matte finish. There is a little bit of glitter right here on the inside of her eyes. Her lipstick does have a little pearly sheen, but it looks really nice. And she has some face paint, which in my opinion does lock her into this athletic look, unless you are willing to remove it. Her hair is styled in a long ponytail. It's curled. We do see a couple of different colors here, and I have some crunchy product on the end. She wears a butterfly hair bow with acrylic gems and has a gold colored barrette that says "Sparkle." I really like the size of that barrette. It's small and dainty and lays flat on the doll. So with the cheer dolls, we don't get a doll stand or a second outfit or hangers, but we do get the glitter comb. Ruby is up next. Out of the box, my Ruby does have a few flyaways. She also wears her hair in a ponytail, and it's kind of like a wavy crimp. She wears a ribbon bow on top that is red and white, and it says "Sparkle." She has 4 hair clips. 3 of them are a little chunky. Her eye makeup looks like fire, and there is red glitter on top. The other eye is a little different. There's no fire on bottom, but there is a fire face paint decoration on her cheek. She has red pom-poms and wears a layered top. There is a red jersey that says 86. Underneath, she has a white crop top hoodie that says "Sparkle" on the hood, and there are flames on the arms. She wears a red skirt with black and white details, white socks with black print, and a pair of sneaker heels. Oh, and their nails are painted to match. Mine does have a little bit of excess paint with a little bit of nail polish remover. I hope we can clean that up. All better. And Poppy has orange painted nails. Here is Sunny. with yellow fingernails, yellow pom-poms, gold ribbons with rainbow printed in black in her hair. She has 2 gold-colored barrettes, wears her hair in 2 pigtails. It's kind of crimped, and it has a nice amount of product. She wears a white and yellow hoodie with black printed details, a yellow skirt with an overlay, and there's a little buckle on the side, yellow socks with printed white stripes at the top, and high heel sneakers. All of their shoes so far have been a little pearly, and I'm loving all of these modern details. That little tag is molded onto the shoe, which is fantastic, because on this pair of shoes, it kept coming off. So I really like how on these shoes, it's not something I have to worry about. I gotta say, I truly appreciate it when they paint those details on the shoes. Little details like that does add to the cost. So that could be one of the reasons contributing to this $22.99 price point. All of the layering, inset eyes, eyelashes, and details. Jade is up next. Rocking a beautiful shade of green, if I do say so myself. Green nails, green and white pom-poms, green hair pulled up into a ponytail. The ponytail is crunchy. She has silver-colored hair accessories, including 1 rainbow barrette and some bobby pins. She wears a black faux leather bow with silver details, green eye makeup that has a little bit of glitter. We have some face paint. She has a black and white hoodie with a green string, and it is sewn to this green top with an elastic around the waist. I like the little details on the arms. She wears a green skirt with a slit on the side and black and white details, black mesh biker shorts, and flat sneakers. But her foot is still on an incline. I do have some light discoloration on her hand, and I'm thinking that is from the pom-poms, so you might not want to store them with them on. I didn't see that on any of the other dolls, so I can't be 100% positive. Personally, I think she is absolutely adorable, and I love this eye makeup on her. Here is Skyler with light blue painted fingernails, which happen to be one of my favorite nail colors. Unfortunately, my doll's hand is stuck and I can't get it to bend. So I'm using a blow dryer to soften it, and now it's working. Yay! On a side note, that's what I do for most dolls that have that problem. I've also tried putting the hand in a baggie, then putting the baggie in hot water. Now back to Skyler. She has blue and white pom-poms, shades of blue in her hair, with a long curled crunchy ponytail, a rainbow high ribbon in her hair, and I really like this one. It's kind of cute. 3 silver hair accessories, blue glitter eye makeup, face paint. She is rocking the number 22 on her sleeveless top. It says rainbow across the chest. It has a little tie detail on the side. She has a faux jacket wrapped around her waist. It velcros in the back and has printed details. She wears tall white socks with blue stripes printed at the top, blue high heel sneakers with lots of painted details, and a simple fitted skirt with white trim under the jacket. Last but not least, here is Violet with purple and white pom-poms, white nail polish. Her hair is soft and has many shades of purples and lavenders. She wears it in a ponytail, the back is straight and hangs down. She has a bow on top with a few acrylic gems, a silver-colored cheer barrette, glitter eye makeup, face paint. She has a soft pink lip color. She wears an iridescent jacket. It's a little see-through and has the word sparkle printed on the arms in black and white. It is a complete hoodie, however, it's not functional for these dolls. It has ribbon in the front that can actually be pulled. That is cool. Silver faux buttons going down the front. She wears a sleeveless top underneath that says 34. It is violet, white, and black. She wears a jersey pleated skirt with ribbon details and a white waistband. White socks with purple stripes, and painted high heel sneakers, completing my Rainbow High cheer collection. Wow, everything is so colorful. And yes, these dolls are fully articulated, with side-to-side movement at the head. We can move at the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist. Oops. Let's put that back on there. The hands can be removed, but do take care. I have broken them before. They can move at the hip and bend at the knee. With that kind of knee joint, personally, I would have liked to have seen a greater range of motion. And I wouldn't mind seeing a new face sculpt. But I can totally appreciate this line for their wide range of designer-inspired fashion. And it's so colorful, which gives me an idea for a quick craft. We're gonna make paper lockers. I made a new printable and printed it on colored cardstock. So we are just printing the lines, making this an ink-friendly project. The lockers are a little over 4 inches tall, so it shouldn't take up a ton of space. Since this is printed on colored paper, some of the things that I want silver are now green. So I made another printable and printed it on white paper. Cut them out and glue them on top. Much better. Cut it out, and I'm okay with taking a little extra off the tabs. Once everything's been cut out, I'm using a card to fold on the lines. I like to fold in first so I can see the line, and then I can fold it back. Now let's fold everything back and flip it over. This is the front of the door, so I'm going to fold these tabs back and glue them down, giving it a sturdier edge. On the side opposite of the door, we're going to fold this piece over and glue it down to create a little lip with a piece hanging over. On the ends, we have 3 little lines here. We're going to fold on this line and glue it down and then fold it up. So when this side is up, we have another lip. And I'm gonna cut the corners off just a little before using the side tab to glue 2 of the sides together. I have found that cutting those corners help it to come out a little more square. Glue the lip over the other lip, repeat on the other side, then take the last 2 tabs and glue them in place to make a paper box. I want the front to be a little shiny. This is completely optional. So let's cover it with tape. And I'm gonna cut on these lines, then lift them just a little to make vents. I'm gonna add some tape to this little notch on the inside. I'm hoping that will make it a little more durable. Cut a small opening on the door so the little tab can fit inside. But that is not gonna stay, so I make a small hole on that little tab, cut a small piece of wire, bend it to make a hook, cut a small piece of craft foam, glue in the hook, use craft paint to paint the foam gold. I let it dry, and now I'm going to add a few lines going across the front, then add a second coat to make a miniature lock that we can use to keep the door closed, giving us a functional, colorful little locker for our dolls. We can make 2 and glue them together, or we can make a whole bunch. Glue them onto foam board to make a wall of lockers. Perfect for our Rainbow High girls. Our printable will be available on our blog, MyFroggyStuff.blogspot.com. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Rainbow High cheer dolls. Let us know in the comments down below if these dolls are a buy or a pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.